In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set multiple alerts on free TradingView. Easy workaround. Let's start by heading to tradingview.com. If you have an account, make sure you're signed in so your alerts can sync across devices. From the home page, look for the alert option. Clicking alert from here will prompt you to open a chart, which is exactly what we want. So go ahead and open the chart workspace. Inside the chart, find the create alert control. You can access it from the top toolbar or by right-clicking directly on the chart near the price level you care about. This opens the alert dialog where you set the exact conditions that should trigger the alert. Begin setting it up by choosing the condition. Most traders use price crossing a specific value, so select the symbol and a rule like crossing, crossing up, or crossing down. Enter the price level manually or drag the horizontal line on your chart to the exact level you want. Next, choose how often the alert can fire, such as only once or once per bar. If you want the alert to stay active for a while, set an appropriate expiration date and time, and double-check your time zone. Add a clear name and message so you instantly understand what triggered when you receive it. Including the symbol, time frame, and price level is a good idea. When everything looks right, click Create. Your alert will be saved and visible in the Alerts Manager panel. Now, here's the key part of the workaround on the free plan. Configure notifications so one alert reaches you in multiple places. Open the notification settings from the alert dialog or your platform settings. Turn on the channels you use most. Enable push notifications in the mobile app if you want a prompt on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the app and your device notifications for the app are allowed. Allow browser notifications for instant desktop pop-ups. If your browser asks for permission, click Allow. You can also enable email delivery if you prefer an inbox record. Within notifications, select exactly where you want to be reminded so a single alert pings you across several channels at once. That's the essence of the free plan workaround. One alert, multiple reminders. If you need alerts at other price levels, repeat the same creation process on the chart. Keep your messages consistent, review expiration dates, and test once to confirm you receive notifications.